Have you ever asked yourself, why am I still struggling to speak English? Today, I will share with you an easy way to learn English without effort or boredom. If you follow this method for just 1 week, you will see a big difference. Our topic today is about the most important skill for learning English, listening. But the question is, how do we listen in the right way? I will give you 5 simple steps. If you follow them, your English will improve a lot and you will speak more fluently in a short time. So take a pen and paper and write these magic steps. 1. Listen to topics at your level. Do not start with difficult things like news, documentaries, or history programs. They use hard words. The best way is to choose simple and clear content, like short stories. They are fun and you learn at the same time. 2. Keep it short. If you are a beginner, long audios will confuse you and you will not understand much. Listen to short clips, 3 to 5 minutes, and repeat them many times. This helps your brain remember the words better. For example, listening to a 1-hour podcast as a beginner will not help much, but a short clip repeated many times will help a lot. 3. Set your goal. What you listen to will become the words you know. If you are interested in law, listen to legal topics. If you like sports, listen to sports programs. If your goal is travel or learning something new, choose topics related to that. Having a goal makes learning easier and faster. 4. Listen to what you love. When you love what you hear, you learn faster and without getting bored. Do not force yourself to listen to boring topics. Choose content that makes you happy. Enjoying the learning process is the secret to success. 5. Surround yourself with English. This is one of the fastest ways to learn English deeply. Change your phone language to English. Follow English accounts on social media. Watch YouTube videos in English, even funny or entertaining ones. When you see and hear English all the time, your skills grow faster. Remember, right now you are learning English just by reading and listening to this. Keep going, never stop, and make your dream of speaking English come true. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.